Welcome back to Customs Unlimited. I'm James, and today we're going to walk you through how to install our Valance Light Kit. This is our best-selling product. Each one is wired and assembled right here in Michigan and has a lifetime warranty. Installing a Valance Light Kit is an easy and affordable way to transform the look of your truck. The vehicle we have in the shop today is a 5th-gen Ram, but our Valance Light Kit is universal. If you have a Valance, you can install our kit. So no matter what you're installing on today, this guide will be applicable to you. It is also very easy to install. Most customers are able to do it all on their own without any wiring experience and can complete it in under 30 minutes. Today, we're going to cover all the following topics. First, style and sizing options. Second, everything you need for the install. And third, a complete step-by-step install guide on one of our shop trucks. Each kit will come with your choice of a 10 or 15 piece kit pre-wired with your selected lens and LED color. The available color combinations are amber, smoked amber, clear amber, white, and smoked white. In addition to our standard sizing and color options, we can also make custom kits to your specifications. We can offer more color options, kits with fewer or more lights, and even kits that will fit your Valance with a plow mount installed. If you're interested in ordering a custom kit, click the link in the description below. Today, we're going to be installing the 15-piece Smoked Amber Valance Light Kit, which is our most popular combination. The Smoked Amber lens blends in with the stock Valance, and the amber is going to make this Ram stand out on the road. In addition to get your Valance Light Kit, you will also receive the required solder shrink connectors, extra wire lead, and a ground terminal hookup. Some additional options we recommend adding to your kit to make install even easier is our drill template and a plug-and-play harness. We will show you how easy these two things will make your upgrade later on. Now let's talk about what tools are needed. You're going to want to have the following handy before starting to make sure your install goes smoothly. We found the best way to drill holes in your Valance and protect it at the same time is with a cordless drill with a 3/4 inch hole saw with a pilot bit. You'll also want wire strippers for wiring, and we highly recommend using a heat gun to safely apply solder shrink connectors. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is measure and evenly mark out where you plan to drill your holes and mount your Valance lights. If you picked up our drill template, you're about to see firsthand how easy it makes this step of the install. Instead of manually measuring each light, simply line up the red dot on the drill template in the center of your Valance, peel and stick, and you're ready to drill. This drill template is available for our standard 10 and 15 piece kits. The next step is going to be to follow the drill template and drill all the necessary holes for your kit. Now that we have all the holes drilled, it's time to remove the drill template. As you can see, the template has also helped to protect the Valance and ensure the hole is precisely spaced and aligned. Before we mount our Valance Light Kit, let's attach the provided extra wire lead. That way we aren't having to add it later while the kit is installed. Simply use the provided solder shrink connectors to connect the extra wire lead to the kit. Keep in mind, the Valance Light Kit power wire is black and the ground wire is white. We highly recommend connecting the red wire from the lead wire back to the black wire on the Valance Light Kit and the black wire from the lead to the white ground wire on the Valance Light Kit. This will ensure that the wire lead has a positive red and a black ground to avoid any confusion when hooking up your power source. Now that we have the Valance Light Kit extended with the provided lead wire, we're going to install the lights into the holes that we drilled. You simply slide back the grommet back towards the loom and then push the light through the drilled hole on the back side of your Valance. Next, you're going to slide your grommet through by pinching it together and pushing it through. Once both the grommet and the light are through the hole, you simply slide back the light, providing a clean, finished look. Once you have installed all the lights on your kit, you're going to be ready to connect power. Simply run your power and ground up into your engine bay so you can choose how you'd like to source your 12-volt power. This is a great time to figure out if you're sourcing 12-volt power from your passenger side or your driver's side. When it comes to powering your kit, you have options. The most popular option our customers choose is our plug-and-play harness. They are year, make, and model specific, so check and see if we have a harness that'll work for your build. These are so easy to install, simply plug it into the back of your headlights and then into your headlight harness. They come pre-tapped with your DRLs or parking lights, so your Valance light comes on automatically with your headlights. The next option would be our universal lighting control system. This product allows up to 6 auxiliary lighting products to be hooked up at the same time and easily controlled with the provided switch panel. If you plan on adding more lights than just the Valance lights, this is a great way to future-proof your lighting plans. Click the link below for a step-by-step guide on how to install this kit. The final option is connecting to your upfitter switches that came with your truck from the factory. Not all vehicles come with this option, but it is a great option for people that want to switch in their cab without the need for the modification. Today, we're going to be hooking up this Valance Light Kit to the factory upfitter switches to demonstrate just how simple that can be. Don't manually splice into your headlights to hook up a Valance light. This will void your manufacturer's warranty. Now that we have power to our Valance Light Kit, it's time to test it and see how it looks. Wow, this install turned out great. This Ram 2500 is definitely going to turn heads when it's going down the road. If you found this install video helpful, leave a like or comment below. Also, check out our channel for more install videos, awesome lighting content, and the latest product release videos. If you're interested in getting one of our Valance lights, head over to customsunlimited.com today. We make it easy to search by your year, make, and model, so when you order, you can have the peace of mind that any lighting upgrades you purchase, in addition to the Valance Light Kits, will be compatible with your build. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.